Starting a pathology lab in India presents an incredible opportunity in healthcare. The demand for diagnostic services is skyrocketing. To embark on this journey, the first step is meticulous business planning. Decide on the type of lab you wish to establish. Your location choice is crucial. A site with high foot traffic ensures visibility and patient access. Once you have a comprehensive business plan, securing legal and regulatory approvals is your next task. You'll need to register your business and obtain necessary licenses, like the clinical establishment license. Building a robust infrastructure comes next, with a minimum space of 600 to 1,000 square feet. Invest in essential lab equipment for quality service. Hiring qualified professionals is critical. A skilled team of pathologists and technicians is the backbone of your operations and service excellence. Marketing your lab effectively is essential for growth. Collaborating with hospitals and using digital marketing can significantly enhance your outreach. Integrating a lab information management system provides efficiency. Proper sample handling and timely reporting lead to satisfied patients and trusted referrals. Your investment can vary from 10 rupees to 50 lakh but brings great potential for revenue. With the right strategy, your lab can thrive and succeed. For more updates like this, join us today.